Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 1708 Southridge Drive in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 3-bedroom, 3-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located in the Southgate subdivision, just off of Lakeville, close to 101, shopping. This complex has a lot, or excuse me, the subdivision has a lot of great features, parks. It's a very beautiful neighborhood. So even though there's 3 bedrooms, there's also a lot of additional living space. There's just a lot of square footage in this home that can be utilized in a lot of different ways. So I'll point that out as we walk through. Immediately to your left is the formal living room and dining room combination. And there's plank vinyl flooring throughout this main living area. This room would make an additional TV room / office. Just a really great space. There is one full bathroom downstairs with just a shower offering, and kitchen with granite countertops and a gas range. And this is a really lovely large living room / family room area, eat-in kitchen area. I'll give you a closer look at the kitchen. Double ovens, gas range, refrigerator, double sinks. There is access to the garage, which is really lovely because it's a finished garage. And a garage opener as well. Outside is just delightful. This is artificial turf grass and really low maintenance but lovely plantings around it. It's a really nice, clean backyard design. The owner has really gone through this home as well and just really brought it all back to almost new condition. It's super clean. So let's go upstairs. So at the top of the stairs is this large area. Again, it could be an overflow family area, kids study area, gaming area. It would be an additional 4th bedroom if somebody had wished to enclose it when they originally built the home. This bedroom faces the front of the home, and this is where the laundry is located. Really nice to have it upstairs. This bedroom faces the front of the home. Stand here for a moment. Then the hall bath with a tub and shower enclosure. Primary bedroom. This is a really nice sized room. A shower and tub separate, 2 separate vanities, and a really nice sized walk-in closet. So again, this is 1708 Southridge Drive in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.